Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle Spieler, a 30-year pro makeup artist. I worked in Hollywood, and that's how I know about these secret neck tapes. They've changed the packaging, and in full disclosure, because I bought them myself, did a video 5 years ago. I'm one of the top sellers of this product, I guess, on Amazon. They sent me some more, and this is their new packaging, just so you know. But I've been using the Secret Lift Pro on and off for years. I only use them for special occasions, okay? So who is it for? Anyone with hair that can hide their neck. If you have short hair, this will not work. I'm sorry, don't argue with me. If your neck shows, there's no neck tape in the world that will work. My mom used to wear these back in the 80s and 90s. That's how I knew about them. They're an age-old Hollywood secret. Even if you've had a facelift, like even Jane Fonda was shown in, I think, Frankie, and what was that show she's in, but she would cut these off the back of her neck. So even if you've had a facelift and a neck lift, you still get saggy, crepey skin every year. We're deteriorating, okay? So a facelift is not a one and done. So this is for temporary. If you are the type of woman that you just want a little bit of pickup on aisle 5, you just want it for a wedding, a special holiday, an anniversary party, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. That's why I'm doing this now. I'm going to show you real quick how to use these, okay? We're going to start with rubbing alcohol. Yes, we are. And we are going to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad because we have to make sure there is absolutely nothing on the neck, no body creams, no hair products, and we are just going to rub the back and the sides of the neck because this is going to actually kind of come around to the side, and you get to decide too, like how tight you want to make it. Let me move my necklace a little bit. There we go. Okay, and look, there's a little bit of makeup on there. I just showered, so I know it's not dirt. There must be a little bit of makeup, or could it be hair products? Because clearly I just did my hair. I'm going out to dinner tonight. That's why I decided to show this, okay? So here we go. We are going to, there is a film that you can see right here, and you're gonna want that to come off completely. See that? You want that off completely. And the stretchy part is not sticky, just the tabs are. So we are going to decide where we want to put it. And we're gonna bring it pretty close under the ear, okay? So I'm gonna start there because I know that's where I want it. And keep them out in case you somehow, you know, don't get this on right. You can always try a different one, but they're medical grade and they stay on really well. Now, if you are a super sweaty, humid person, are they gonna stick? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, make sure you don't get any hair in there, but you can see mine comes right here. So we're right under the ear, and you can even see a little bit on the side of the neck, but my hair will hide that. Then we pull it around. Make sure you get all the hair out of the way. Pulling it around, I hope you could see that. And then we're going to carefully take off the sticky tab on this side. And be real careful with this. Make sure it doesn't fold up on itself. We're gonna come under this here, okay? And just kind of hold it there for a minute. Let it kind of warm up to your body temperature. It's going to help your neck, but it's also going to even kind of help your jowls a little bit. It's pretty fascinating. Now, I've had comments over the past 5 years that are like, this is going to stretch your neck out. It's going to make your neck more saggy. This is not for every day, unless you want to wear it every day, and that's your business. But I want to help women look and feel their best for special occasions. And if this gives you a little bit more confidence, how many do we get in here? I don't remember, but you get maybe 8 to 10 of them for $16.95. Please, so worth it. Look at my neck. Look, that's amazing. And the gels too, it kind of pulls it all back. Okay, kind of helps those gels. We're getting loose every year. Even those of us that have had a lower facelift, we're getting loose every year. Nothing is permanent. It's so cute that you think it's permanent. It's not permanent, okay? So, do you feel this? Yes, there is tension on the back of your neck. It is going to feel like you're wearing a bra, okay? It's like a bra on your neck, but it's completely invisible. It's hidden by hair. And those of you that have short hair and want to wear this, you're just gonna have to grow your hair out or wear a scarf. I don't know what to tell you. It's not made for women with short hair, okay? Don't shoot the messenger. But I'm gonna wear this to dinner tonight. This feels fantastic. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, and there we go. I just wanted to take my hair down. I can't even see it in the mirror right here. It ends right about here, and I can't see it. It's just completely invisible. I think they might have upgraded the medical tape because it's just absolutely invisible. And you saw how high up it goes on the neck. Like, it's literally in the nape of my hair. So that's why it's great that it's stretchy in the middle, because it will just kind of go over the nape of your hair and not really disturb it. But there you go. And what I love about it is if you are like leaning over, sometimes like when you're leaning over, the neck can sag a little bit, or it can get like little turkey stripes. But like, look at that. I can move every which way and it just looks so good. I forgot how good. I don't wear these as much as I used to, but I think I'm gonna start again because I forgot how good it looks. And it's you know, there's tension on the neck. I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna feel it. Will it pop off if you get sweaty? It could. My mom, I think back in my mom's menopause years, she wore one to a holiday party and it snapped right off of her. But, you know, big deal. You just peel it off and throw it away. And you would have had a neck like that anyway. I mean, I really don't think it's a lose-lose. And for, you know, $16.95 for like 10 of these, maybe it's 8. Isn't it worth a try? I mean, even if you just wear it in photos and then just cut it off and, you know, let loose. Oh no, there's way more than 10. There might be 12, 15. There's a lot. So that works out to about, what, $1 each, maybe a little bit more. Totally worth it. Okay, let me know what you think, if you've tried it, and if anyone out there has solutions for short-haired women, I'd love to hear about it. There are the tabs that can go like back here more with like a band, but I haven't tried those because I don't think they always get great reviews. But I would love to hear from all of you. Just wanted to, you know, put this out there before the holidays because it can help so many women. I've been asked to do an updated version, so here you go, okay? God loves you, I love you, and I'll see you next time.